Welcome to the Crown for Success YouTube channel. Crown for Success is an online fastest growing network for soulful, ambitious boss ladies on Instagram. We're also a coaching, mentoring business to motivate women to reach their highest potential, both in business and mindset mastery. I'm your host, Laura Lee Lappin, and I'm a proud RVP for Crown for Success and also the owner of the TheTikiGirl.com. Today I'm going to talk about my experience with the RVP testimonial. My experience has been truly amazing, and I'm one proud girl to share my experience. When I look back on my first day, I was nervous and there were a lot of things that I didn't anticipate. It is obvious for someone who was done with studies and wanted to get real opportunities to earn her living. One had to be smart enough to tackle practical life situations, and I was just figuring it all out. So I got to know about the Crown for Success from an Instagram story, and I thought, giving it a shot because I wanted to get better in my life by earning more and having skills that are really needed in my professional life. I opened the website link and everyone had positive things to say about their experience and all, but this made me believe that I can be something as well. So I decided to join the group. I believe I made the right choice by joining this program in the first place when I got put in one of their WhatsApp app groups. It was before we were given our first module. Women were chatting about their assignments, business ventures, and other stuff. Everyone was friendly and open and asked and shared their advice on all matters. All the ladies were very supportive with each other, and it all brings out the positive energy for the recruits. So it is one of those things where you feel important and a part of a growing community. The course module and the assignments were really on point. They contain knowledge that can be used in real life. The course modules were designed to help women regarding empowering them by opening new business opportunities while keeping the budget low. These training courses weren't phony textbook knowledge based on real practical knowledge that is enough to empower women to achieve their goals. The information was simplified to reach a level of a common person, which made it easy for everyone to understand and benefit from it. I love the self-exploration section. It is one of the best things that has ever happened to me, and I got to know myself through various self-reflective exercises. Knowing myself and my needs have helped me set a perspective in life, and I still keep a journal and I write on it. I'm sure that this will help me to evolve on a continuous basis. There's some exercise I got to know my skills and weaknesses that can be used in challenging situations. There were a lot of things that I was suppressed due to different circumstances, and here I bring them out and I face them to make myself better. Not only I faced them, but I got to heal the wounds that were the reason for not trusting myself enough in the past. So I know now I feel more confident. The basic coaching and the mentoring women to figure out their true selves through this RVP course is a remarkable initiative. One of the greatest things about this initiative is that it's not only limited to one type of woman, only as it broadens its horizon and take anyone in it who's passionate about something, who's looking to make some extra bucks by learning a few skills, and for those who think they have the potential to become entrepreneurs but are entrapped in social responsibilities somehow. The Regional Vice President Program is for anyone and everyone. So this program takes on recruiters from everywhere in the world. Throughout the course, they let you figure out yourself and empower you to fulfill your dreams by building a purposeful and profitable business. It is about getting ready to start something that satisfies your soul. And the best yet, Wendy and Johan has always been there to answer any queries or questions, whether you feel stuck or you're lost or need clarification to get you to graduate and succeed, which made this experience even better. Lastly, I would like about this part, it has really been a great experience for me. I got to take a deep dive into finding my true self and bring out the best of me. I am ready to embark on new adventures with all the experiences that I have gained through the RVP program. In this fast-paced modern era where everything is forgotten as time passes by, this one has left an impact on me forever. So the tenure seems shorter now because of the interesting stuff. The months turn into weeks, and here it is all completed and done. Now I will be having my certificate soon via email and a one-on-one interview with the lovely queens Wendy and Johan. And I'm glad to have been part of this program. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I want to thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the Crown for Success YouTube channel, and you can also find me on my Instagram at TheTikiGirl.com. Questions with topics that I talked about today in the RVP program. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the like and type a comment below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Until next time.